Hi, today we have Kiara and she is a content creator from New York.
Yes, business owner and content creator.
Perfect. Perfect. So basically, Kiara, I teach people how to make money online, and you are the best example that you are a content creator. So I would like to know that beginners are watching you, and they would like to know that how much time it will take to make money with content creation.
I think the experience is different and very personal. It really depends when you start and what platform you use and how you develop your skills and where you get information from. The web is full of scam, so it really makes a difference if you pick the right coach and if you look for the right information. Then you're gonna ask, how do I find the right information and how do I find the right coach?
That's right.
It's just a matter of time, searching and following people. One person is gonna lead to another person that might be more valuable.
Okay.
And then when you're gonna find your niche and the right coach and the right info, you are going to know, because that's the time you're going to start monetizing. I've been online since 20, let's say 15, 16.
Oh.
At first it was a joke. I mean, it was more for fun. I started monetizing less than a year ago. In June, when I took the next step, I decided to take a course on social media monetization in January 2021 until April 2021. That course changed my life. My perception of social media and how to approach brands, how to land brand deals, and how to actually make money online.
So you are making really good money there.
I'm landing really good partnerships.
Okay.
I just worked with Kate Spade like last week.
Okay. So you think that content creation is the best thing from where a beginner can start and make money quickly?
I wouldn't say quickly.
Okay.
I would say everyone has their own path and their own time.
Okay.
So I would not use the word quickly. But yes, you can make money online. Just find your niche, find your platform, and find the way you can make money. It could be brand partnerships, it could be ads, it could be affiliations, it could be all of them, it could be online courses, selling merch. It depends. Good luck.
Thank you very much. Those are very beautiful tips. So you have to follow this. Thank you very much, Kiara.
Thank you.
Thank you.